Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for those that were asking what is happening with Firefox update today. So today, May the 16th, 2022, we have a update for Firefox, and that update is a very small update. So if you see a little pop-up that says Firefox want to update in Windows 10 or Windows 11, and if you want to make the update, if you have any problems, there's nothing security in there, by the way, so you don't have to do it. It's going to do it automatically. Upper right corner hamburger menu, go into help, and then go into about Firefox. It's going to update to 100.0.1, very, very small increment. Now, this, what it does is simply fix one problem. People that were watching Netflix, the picture-in-picture mode was not working properly. So that is the only fix in here. No security, so there's really no rush. But if you had some Netflix issues with the picture-in-picture, or even any picture-in-picture mode problems, because it might be others also, but we mentioned specifically Netflix here, it is fixed with this little update that was released today, as Firefox 100 has been released not very long ago. So if you are a Firefox user, and if you are a Netflix subscriber, well, maybe you'll have the advantage of having this fixed. For the rest, no security updates, and no really big problems. Some people are asking me sometimes, do you have or hear any problems with browsers and issues that they might have? And I mean, they are software and they are updated regularly, so it is normal that they could sometimes have bugs, and there are bug fixes from time to time, even for Chrome or Edge. Here is an example of a bug fix for Firefox. So it can happen from time to time, and but it's mostly when it's a really like in-your-face problem. People that would go to YouTube or things that a lot of people do and is broken. Someone was asking me, I noticed a slowdown in YouTube and Google services with the latest Edge or the latest Chrome versions, that I can't really say I have, but every configuration is different. Sometimes there are things that happen that you're like, oh wow, okay, didn't know, and it happens to you, might not happen to the next the other PC, but they definitely have bugs from time to time that they fix. So Firefox update to 100.0.1 fixes one little thing, a Netflix picture-in-picture mode that doesn't work well. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.